Are you looking for the best Apple Watch? In this video we will look at some of the best Apple Watch on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra. It is the best Apple smartwatch for iPhone. It has a lot of specifications. It has an operating system of the Watch OS 9 available. It has a great display of about 1.9 inches. It has bright OLED displays. Apple Smartwatch Ultra has processor Apple S8 available. It has an onboard storage capacity of about 32 GB. It has a great battery life which lasts up to 36 hours. It is rechargeable and has a wireless charging method. It is water resistant and is rated up to 100 meters. It is able to connect with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It has a large display and an action button which is very useful. It has no GPS tracker available or no navigation feature available. It is bigger in size. It has diving sensors available. It is a powerful smartwatch but a little bit expensive. It is compatible with iOS operating systems. Number 2. Apple Watch SE2. It is one of the best budget-friendly smartwatches. It has a Watch OS 9 operating system. It has bright OLED displays. It has a screen size of about 1.78 inches. It has an Apple S8 processor available. It has a storage capacity of about 32 GB. It is rechargeable and also has a wireless charging method available like others. It has a great battery life which runs up to 18 hours. It is waterproof with an IP rating of about 50 meters. It has the ability to connect with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and LTE. It is lightweight which makes it comfortable to wear. It has no ECG available. It has no always-on mode available. It has the ability to detect car crashes. It has different fitness tracking features available. It is compatible with iOS smartphones. Number 3. Apple Watch Series 8. Apple Watch Series 8 is considered one of the best smartwatches overall. It has a number of different specifications which include health tracking, fitness tracking, battery life, etc. It has a great display of about 41mm or 45mm. The LTE option is available in some of the Apple versions. It has GPS trackers available which can track the distances you covered during outdoor activities. It is waterproof. It has an onboard music storage capability of about 32 GB available. It has the ability to monitor your heart rate and can monitor it 24/7. It has a good battery life which lasts up to 18 hours. It has the ability to track and detect crashes. It also can monitor your sleep tracker. It has Watch OS 9 available. It has a lower power mode available. It can monitor skin temperature. It has the ability to provide you notifications of calls, text messages, reminders, alarms and from social media apps you use. It is very comfortable to wear and has an elegant design. It is compatible with iOS smartphones and is for both men and women. Number 4. Apple Watch Series 7. It is one of the best overall Apple smartwatches for iPhone. It has a lot of features which include tracking of health and vitals. It is lightweight and weighs about 1.07 ounce to 1.29 ounce. It has a touchscreen display. Its screen size is about 1.53 or 1.78. Its sizes are about 40mm or 44mm. Its band size is 22mm to 24mm. It has the ability to show notifications on your watch display and also able to respond to your mobile phone notifications. It is water resistant. It is an expensive smartwatch. It has high-quality GPS trackers available. It has a good Bluetooth connection. It allows you to accept calls from the smartwatch. It has a great battery life which lasts up to 18 hours. It provides you good LTE or Wi-Fi connection. It is water resistant. It has a heart rate monitor which monitors the activity of your heart 24/7. It has compatibility with both Android and iOS. It has an online mobile payment method available. It has a sleep tracker which tracks your sleep quality and can track your workout. This smartwatch can track your activities automatically. It has a wireless charger. Its processor is about 64-bit dual-core S6. It has a storage capacity of about 32 gigabytes. It is available in different colors. These are blue, red, gold, and graphite. Number 5. Apple Watch Series 6. It is one of the best smartwatches and is considered the best waterproof smartwatch. It is one which is only compatible with iPhone. It has many features that make your daily life much easier. It has 80 different exercises available. Of these 80 modes, 24 are sports modes that provide you with accurate results. It has GPS trackers available which can track the distances you covered, your speed, and your pace. It is the best water-resistant smartwatch that we use during swimming. It has a screen size of about 1.57 inches or 1.73 inches. It has great storage capability which is about 32 gigabytes. It has different health metrics available including blood oxygen monitoring and ECG. It has its own voice assistant available which can speak up to messages and emails are known as Siri. It has a good battery life which lasts about 18 hours. It has an online payment method available which is known as iPhone Pay. It is available in 5 different colors.